Here are 5 quick tips for all of my concert photographers out there. Let's get into it. First, shoot more moments before and after the show. Show what the artist is doing and who they're hanging out with. I know it can be easy to get caught up in wanting to capture banger shots during the show, but those moments backstage can sometimes lead to your best and most memorable shots. Next, a quick turnaround time is key. One of the biggest pet peeves that an artist can have is hiring a photographer to shoot their show and then wondering where the content is. You need to have a quick turnaround time in this industry. And you can really prove yourself to an artist and build their trust and build a relationship with them just through hard work. Be respectful of their time, show up consistently, do consistent good work, and have a great work ethic. Trust me, this won't go unnoticed. Make the artist and their managers' lives as easy as possible when it comes to the content, and they'll for sure remember you. And for the third quick tip on this list, get both group shots and individual shots. If you're shooting an artist that's a duo, group, or a band that has multiple members, make sure to get shots of everybody together, as well as individual shots of each member. But also each member of the group will be really happy they have individual shots of them performing. Not slowing down, for quick tip number 4, keep your shutter speed at 1/250th of a second or higher. This will help you freeze the action and get sharper images of the artist. It's that simple. And for the final quick tip, capture the emotion of both the artist and the crowd. Highlighting the emotion of both the artist and fans' faces will elevate your images to another level that emotionless, storyless photos can't compete with. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. If you like this style of video with quick tips and no added fluff, let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to create a part 2 of this video. That said, if you're new here and you're looking for more concert photography tips and tricks, you came to the right place. So hop into this playlist on the screen now, pick a video that you're interested in, and I'll see you there.